everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell, I have an unboxing and it is from the Happy Planner along with some other goodies I have collected the past few days that I wanted to share with you. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, the first thing is not from the Happy Planner. I actually went to the mall yesterday and I found this really cute place where they had everything like I don't know if it was Japanese, I don't know, but everything was so adorable. And I found this pack that had this cute like little pack. Well, I found this cute pack that had like a few things like inside the pack, if that makes any sense. But okay, so this came in the first box. So it was like a little box of goodies. This washi tape, which is super cute. I love it. Along with this, these are sticky notes. How cute. Can you tell this is Bubba? How cute. And the pen. Alright, and the other pack brought this one. I'm not sure if, yeah, this is actually for this one. And this is actually for this one. It all came together in like one little pack. I thought it was so adorable. I didn't think I was gonna like it so much. I should have gotten more, but anyways, maybe I can go back. So here's the next one, and it's, of course I had to get some pink. You know, pink is my favorite color. And check out this one. How cute. All right, so that was the first thing. Then I bought something from the Happy Planner. I got a notification from the Happy Planner, and I don't know if that was a blessing or it wasn't the best thing, because I get notifications from them and I just buy all the things. So I needed to, I think with the amount of money that I was getting, I needed to get free shipping, and I didn't want to get all these planner things because I don't know, I just didn't know what to get. And I ended up getting some cards because I really want to be that girl. I want to have like a little box full of cards for every occasion, because how cute it is to send cards to your friends, family, teachers, whenever something comes up. And I thought these were so pretty. Gold foil, of course, and it's clear inside. Not clear, but like blank, so you can write whatever you want. So these came in the box. Love the lemons. And wait, these are the other ones. They're just plain, but I think they're really pretty. Oh my god, so they came with the envelopes in yellow, which I think they're really bright and gorgeous. And here you have the little gold seals to close up the little envelopes. I think these are great to send a little thank you notes and all that great stuff. But yeah, I want to be that girl that has the card for every occasion. I think that's a very nice touch. And now for the main event. You guys, I have avoided the videos from this box because I bought it and it actually came in like 3 days. So happy about that. But you guys, your future looks bright. All right, so this is very retro. I like this. Oh my goodness, so many stickers, so little time. And here's the gorge. Oh my god, how cute. AKA full of stickers. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I got this little zipper pouch. Love the pattern, by the way. And it has an elastic, so you can just put it with your planner. And you guys, I didn't think this was gonna be so big. It has a lot of space on the inside. Let me take this stuff out. So it has a lot of space. As you can tell, you can put pens, you can put more stuff in here. I mean, I think this fits a mini Happy Planner. All right, let me do the test. Here's a mini Happy Planner. As you can tell, it fits perfect in here. What I love. So if you have a mini Happy Planner as your travel planner, yes, it fits. All right, love that. I'm gonna put this here. How cute. Next thing that we got in the package, I'm saying we because maybe you got it too. We got washi. We got some washi here. So this one says, "You are magic." Let me... Okay, right here. "You are magic." How cute. And it's different, like a different pattern. We got some happy faces. How cute. And just a plain blue washi, but super cute. Love. We got one sticker book. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. There you go. I haven't had this thin sticker books in a very long time. Again, I got rid of a lot of my happy planner stuff, and I don't have any of this. Like, I don't have these stickers anymore. I think I only have the exercise one. That's the only one I have. All right. Oh my goodness. What? These are disco balls. Like cherries. Stay kind, you rock, heck yes. Love the little cinnamon roll things. And the ice cream. Oh my gosh. These have little faces. How cute. Love the little mushrooms. Oh, we have the weather ones. Pretty. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? We have the disco balls and the little skates. I cannot skate for the life of me. I have some happy faces here, which I really love. Matches the washi. We have some cats. Oh, so pretty. Stay kind. Oh my gosh, these are bags. How cute. Love this. Some ramen. Well, it looks like ramen. All right, so this is really cute. And for the main event. All right, so here we have I'm saying the main sticker book because this is the reason why I got this, but let's go. Oh my gosh, I love stickers. Are you kidding me? I love this. How cute. Add a little spice. Oh my gosh, yes. I love this. Make every day a party. It's all good. This looks like it could be used for a really fun, colorful, positive spread, and I'm here for it. I really like it. Bum diggity. Are you kidding me? This is from what? I think it was from the 80s, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. 80s, 90s. Feed me and tell me I'm pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this avocado. I love. How cute. Oh my gosh. I gotta do a spread with these. How cute. I love you a latte. So cute. You guys, I am loving these avocados. I love this. I love adding this in my spreads. I think it adds a little extra something. Super cute. Make every day a party. Here we have some sparkle. Oh my god, we have some cassettes. How cute. Another disco ball. How cute. And here we have another page with no foil, which is also very pretty. Start your day with a dance party. How cute. I just want all the stickers. So many stickers, so little time. Oh my gosh. Sticker queen. Yes, I love. I just want all the stickers. I think this is kind of like the same thing. No, actually no. No, actually yes, but these are foil and oh my gosh, rainbow. Like the back is a rainbow. How cute. Stickers are my love language. Yes. Keep it groovy. Looking good for vibes. How adorable, you guys. I love so far. So I am loving it. Look at this disco. Disco? No, look at these discs. Oh my god, more the little mushrooms. I love the little faces. God, so much yes. You're like really pretty. Oh my gosh, love the inspirational sayings and I am here for them. How cute. Same page but with foil. Plants are friends. My gosh, I wish I can keep plants alive. You have any tips? How pretty. How pretty. You grow, girl. Sorry, I have plans this weekend. Oh, how cute. How adorable. Oh my gosh, I have a ton of like little cassettes and discs and more of the little disco cherries. Adorable. You guys, I have to make a spread with avocados because these are so cute. It reminds me of my niece. Add a little spice. And we have some more boba tea. Oh, Taco Tuesday. What? Are you kidding me? You are magic. You got this. These are all like little inspirational badges. You're rocking it, babe. How cute. Here we have it with some like, is this pink or purple? I don't know, but it's cute. And these are, what are these? Oh, these are stars and more little lightning things, and they're all rainbow. Here we have some more, so I have 2 pages of that, and that is it. I love this sticker book. I think it's so pretty and fun, and I love it. All right, everybody, thank you all for watching this video. This is everything I got. I didn't put all the cards because you get it, but I am very happy. I love everything, and I feel like everything that I got goes together so nicely. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. If you enjoy my channel, comment, like, and subscribe because it really helps my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.